Hi everyone, welcome to the Knitting TurnPike. Welcome to the Knitting TurnPike. My name is Gina Pike. I'm so very happy that you're here with me today.
I'm going to do a tutorial today. I want to talk about the Purl Stitch. Knitting the Purl Stitch. I knit English style. My hold up in not doing Continental is this Purl Stitch. If you've ever tried this, this is the hardest thing I think to do is this Continental Purl. Tension your yarn like you normally would in your left hand. You have to do this with your left hand. Now you have to bring your yarn to the front to do the purl stitch. You insert your right hand needle like you normally would. You have to wrap your yarn around your knitting needle counterclockwise like that. Pull it through. And that is not easy to do. Let's see if I can even do it again. It will be a miracle if I can even do it again. So I need to work on that. I need to practice that to do the purl stitch. So I have found something recently. I've heard about this, I've just never practiced it. I'm working on this shawl. The wrong side rows are all purl, so I thought this might be a good time to practice this. It's called the Norwegian Purl, and you hold everything like you do for the Continental knitting, tensioning your yarn in your left hand. However, it works the best for you. And you, instead of pulling your yarn forward like you had to do, like I just showed you, just leave your yarn in back, but you are going to put your right hand needle under your working yarn with it in the back. Insert your right hand needle into the next stitch that you're going to purl. So you leave it like that. You bring your right hand needle around and under this yarn like this, and then bring it back to the front and through, and comes off, and that's the Norwegian Purl stitch. I love it. That's just so much easier to me than doing the other way around. So bring your needle under, stick it through, bring your yarn around counterclockwise, bring your yarn through like that and off. Now if you forget to bring your yarn under like this, you can totally do this stitch with your right hand needle over your yarn and stick it in and go through all the motions of wrapping the yarn around and bringing it through. However, the problem is that will give you, see that extra yarn over there? So you know you've done it incorrectly by doing it that way. You'll have an extra yarn over there. So don't do it that way. Make sure to bring your right hand needle under your yarn. Stick into the stitch that you're going to do. Wrap your yarn around counterclockwise. Bring it, whoops. I'm tensioning my yarn too tightly, so I'm having it slip off. Bring it through. A lot of help. I need to practice more, but still, that's to me is much easier than doing it the other Continental way. And you can see how the stitches are oriented the right way with the right leg in front. And that is just something that you might want to try. Norwegian Purl. Let me do it one more time. Go under the working yarn into the next stitch. Wrap your yarn around and bring it through and off. There you go. Voila. Something new to try. And if you get really good at it, you can do your knitting Continental and maybe speed up. It's supposed to be faster to do it this way, so something to try.
Anyway, thank you so much. Hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Take care of yourselves. I hope to see you all very, very soon.